Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious and easy to make recipe for steamed pork patty with dried mushrooms. This is a classic Hong Kong dish that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. First, we need to soak the dried shiitake mushrooms in 150 milliliters of water for about 1 hour until they're soft. Then remove the mushrooms from the liquid. When the mushrooms are soft, lift them from the water using fingers, squeezing them lightly to remove as much water as possible. We need to remove the stems and chop the mushrooms into small pieces. Chop the small dried shrimps into small pieces as well. Next, in a mixing bowl with dried mushrooms soaking liquid, add white pepper, Chinese 5-spice powder, soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt and cornstarch. Mix everything together until well combined. Chop the crushed ginger into small pieces. Put them into the mixing bowl. In another mixing bowl, add 400 grams of pork mince and keep mixing. Pour 1/3 of the mixture and keep mixing. Once the pork mince absorbed the liquid, pour 1/2 of mixture and keep mixing. Pour the remaining mixture and keep mixing. Now we need to add the chopped dried mushrooms and small dried shrimps into the mixing bowl and mix them with the pork mixture. Place the pork mixture onto a heat-proof plate and shape them into round patty. If you have a rice cooker with steamer plate, place the plate with the pork patty into the steamer. Select the appropriate cooking mode and start the rice cooker. Once the patty is cooked, remove them from the steamer. And there you have it, our delightful steamed pork patty with dried mushrooms. The result is a tender and flavorful dish that will impress your family and friends. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!